Every biological stronghold begins with a single, silent blueprint. The Gac seed, a dark vessel of potential. The architect of the field initiates the foundation, a partnership of earth and human touch. Hydration triggers the expansion. The internal pressure prepares for the first breakthrough. The structural anchor is deployed, stability before the ascent. Life emerges as a spire, a green column rising against the weight of the world. Solar collectors unfurl. The lattice of life begins its climb. Tendrils acting as organic cables, anchoring the structure to the bamboo sky.
Natural engineering. A coil designed for elasticity and grip in the mountain winds.
The green roof expands, a sprawling network of energy and shadow.
Tiny, pale yellow blossoms appear, looking like delicate lanterns among the green, the floral signal. Pollination, the exchange of blueprints, activating the fruit's genetic code. The birth of the fortress. The first spikes emerge from the floral debris. Structural hardening. The shell begins to form its defensive exterior. Geometric defense. 1,000 green spires protecting the internal treasure. The subterranean forge, drawing power from the deep clay to feed the spikes. The Gac fruit grows to the size of a ball, its spikes becoming sharp and prominent. Expansion of form, the green fortress reaches its structural peak. Shadow play on geometry. Nature's most intricate defensive exterior. The first alchemical change. Chlorophyll retreats as the sun's energy is stored. The golden hour. The fortress warms, absorbing the heat of the Vietnamese sun. Structural linkage. A conduit of energy capable of holding the heavy sphere. Scent as architecture. A subtle, earthy fragrance signaling the completion. The harvest of sun. Hand-picked with reverence, no machines, only soul. The presentation. A masterpiece of form, ready for the final reveal. Reflections of resilience. The shell has done its work.
The heart of the matter. Each seed is a capsule of pure energy.
The essence of red. Liquid energy, the concentrated soul of the vine. Geometry of flow. Even in liquid form, the Gac follows the law of beauty, the infusion. Transferring the fortress's power to the grain of the earth.
Vapor of vitality. The scent of celebration and traditional heritage.
Navigating the spikes. An architectural world of sharp angles and deep shadows.
Internal radiance. The sun's light trapped within a crimson fortress.
Molecular architecture. Engineering on a scale invisible to the eye.
No waste. Every drop of the crimson gold is honored.
The map of the past. Even in death, the architecture remains clear. Bioavailable lycopene, beta-carotene, and essential fatty acids, a complex fuel. The lens of nature.
seeing the world through the fortress's defense.
In the deep folds, the color is forged without the touch of direct sun.
The builder's rhythm, handcrafted support for a handcrafted life.
Nightly security. The architecture of sleep, preparing for the dawn.
Cellular breath, absorbing the humidity of the northern landscape.
Long-chain molecules, the architectural blocks of biological health.
The song of the trellis, the sound of support and resilience.
The supply chain. A highway of water and minerals for the growing fruit. Honoring the form. Preparing the fortress for its highest purpose. The green village, where architecture and nature are one. All-around defense. A sphere of spikes, perfect from every perspective.
Every spike on the fruit is shown to be slightly different, a natural fractal spikes. Uniqueness within a system of total order.
The floating pyramid, moving the fortresses along the river veins.
Silent transport. The architecture of the river, carrying the architecture of the vine.
The mirror of form. Symmetry above and below the surface.
The seal of authenticity, guaranteed by nature, confirmed by tradition.
Post-life utility. The shell becomes a container of history.
The inner barrier, a secondary wall of protection for the Crimson Heart.
Inscribed by nature. Blueprints hidden within the seed's shell.
The landscape of protection. A micro-world designed for security.
Embers of the sun. The fruit stores the light of the day for the night. Lycopene and beta-carotene in a fatty acid matrix. Optimum absorption engineering. Olfactory design. A scent that speaks of earth and ancient gardens. Structural nodes. The intersection of growth and stability. The precision of fluid. Nature's liquid moving through nature's spikes. The microscale. Architecture that holds even at the smallest level. The architect's path. Constant care for the living fortress.
The apex of defense. Points of resistance against the external world. The mark of the Gac. A color that stays. A power that lasts. The speed of genesis, the rapid construction of organic beauty. Purity achieved. The fortress is ready for its purpose.
Gratitude to the vine. The architect honors the true source of form. The beauty of experience. Imperfections that prove the reality of life.
1, 50, 100. The architecture of total abundance.
Shadows of the spire. Nature's crown, projected onto the earth.
The symphony of the garden.
the genesis of protection. The Gac Fruit. Crimson architecture.
Genesis motion. Honoring the architecture of life.